Which of the housemates for you, based on your Minister of Information, when you fit talk say before now come out to now then make use of the condom the most?
I don't feel like the people they use condom for that also. I would lie for you. People they going smooth way.
Oh wow.
They know they are
but you go like speak for yourself.
I say people. I say people they going smooth. So I don't know. But for dustbin like me now, they pack aquafina rubber. Okay. They open dustbin. I never see condom inside. Maybe people with the drum they going smooth way. If I thought that they drum.
Okay. Every time we get new invited housemates for Inside Big Brother House, they first come see us for tell us how their experience be for inside the house. So there's the ladies first. So to my left, I get the beautiful Joanna, and of course to my right, we get the beautiful Thelma Lawson. Hi. Ladies and gentlemen, Thelma tall. I see her height. I think say Joanna tall as you, but what? No, it is well. And of course, we get the handsome Bright Morgan also for our left side. And I will lie for you. I will lie for you. And of course, we get the comedian. We don't know, say comedy fully body culture. Itself is there with us inside the studio. Once again, now welcome to Naija FM 102.7. All right, ladies first as usual. So, I will come to Thelma first now because it be like say your own eviction and Bright Morgan eviction.
Unexpected.
you know, so you don't they happy. You know, you don't even find love. Because you don't they dance alone for a very long time. For the 8th week now, you see somebody dance and rock with.
Interesting.
You say Lele come on from inside the studio.
Yeah.
How you feel that night? We can talk so your time don't reach go.
Like my dad said, it was a special eviction. Beginning I was leaving. So they had to give me a grand exit. You understand me? Now it was a Saturday party.
Right.
I was super late.
Okay.
You know, so when Ebuka called my name, I was overwhelmed. I think I was even crying. Like I was just overwhelmed with a lot. I was happy at the same time. Like it was just tears of joy, literally.
Right.
But like I was okay with leaving anytime. I feel like even from week 2, I didn't know how long I had in the house. So I said, even though it's 1 week or 2 weeks, I'm going to make sure that I show who I am from the onset. And I believe I sold myself very well. So even if I left in week 3, I'm still going to be Thelma Lawson, plus or minus nothing.
And that's some period pause. You are not saying it now.
When they come back. All right, I go ask all of you this same question they ask all of you. Say, how the experience be? Say now go through that phase of life inside the BBN Naija. So make we start with we don't start with ladies first before. Make we don't start with
so Bright.
Okay, Bright. So now you will answer that question now.
Experience in Big Brother's house. It's a lifetime experience for me. Trust me. This is a reality show and no regret. No regret. You know when you have to like live with 28 different people from different backgrounds, different morals, different characters. It was, you see, that first week I was losing my mind. But thank God for the diary room with the sessions with Big Brother. He was like an older brother I never had. So he helped me, and you know, I was back in line. So it's an amazing experience, both good and bad. So that house, you have to learn, unlearn, experience, bad times, good times. Overall, I'll say amazing experience.
All right, Thelma, I want to tell us something about that.
Oh yeah, in the house, I mean, I would say it's a once-in-a-lifetime experience. I was pretty confused when I got into the house. Everything was just so different from how I had pictured it in my head. But one thing I told myself was that I was going to live in the moment, forget about what was happening outside the world. I was worried about a lot of things. I'm like, you know what? I can't even contact them, so why worry? So I focused on being inside of the house and enjoying it, because like once you leave, you almost never have anything like that again. So I just put my best into everything and enjoyed myself. Just make sure to always stay pretty. Yeah. Okay.
Joanna.
I think everybody has said it, but personally, I feel like when I came into the house, I felt overwhelmed too, because the 10/10 season was indeed 10/10. Considering diverse personalities. Everybody was individually unique. I'm like, how did they do this? Like, we were even asking ourselves in the house. Whoever did this, they did a great job. Yeah, it was really, really cool to see that we could coexist at the same time, have differences, unlearn each other. It's a learning process. Outside the house, you still learn so much about yourself and other people.
Okay, so for you, Culture, I want to change that question. You want to say you carry your A game enter the show, or as you plan and you play them, or you just as now your personality now you enter carrying that inside the show? Because what you do for the show, it dey quite different. Say, boy, you ready? What happen?
As I enter that show, during the audition self gone, the only prayer I pray to God to make I just introduce me. Even that one day don't do enough. But as it be now, as the day they break, the energy they change, the energy they different. So depend on the day, depend on the vibe. So I don't get any strategy. Like I say I get strategy, but don't day lost. So I just live my life. I don't even say they go far like that, but I live life for you.
So now come as you are, now you do.
I will lie for you.
So you know what? The one of your slang, where I carry come up from that house now. I will lie for you. I don't be lie for you now. All right. So this next question now. It go still be to selected persons. So anybody we want answer me, go answer me. So after the eviction on Sunday night, we see. In fact, na bride go answer. Yes, Latin and him. This thing go. This next question. So after the eviction on a Sunday night, and we see say be like say Faith, that eviction no reach him. He still want to wait in shatter table, break the tables, shatter chair and everything. He gets something where we say he mentioned based on top one or two discussions where they sit down talk, and he say he knows see you and Mide going past. Going even reaching 2 years, I think that was the statement he made, and he say for your friend Kola and Dede as well as they laugh. Now don't see the video, I believe. So he said for Kola and Dede as well, say see the both of them they work, say because Dede a selfish person, and not as a rude way, because Dede don't come and talk so many times say she should be selfish person, and say Kola too and a baby boy where they like me, that they give him the attention, pamper him and everything. Say don't you say the two of them no go actually work as well. So based on some of the sheep where we say you form in the house, because one of the standing sheep from inside this particular turnover test is now your sheep with a Mide. Waiting, yes. Waiting you feel about waiting Dr. Faith yarn about you and your love interest?
I don't know, see Faith get prophetic.
Now Dr. Strange.
That's crazy. Well, people have their opinion about different things. I really don't want to buy that idea, because we don't know what's going to happen in the future, right? It's not promised. So whatever he feels like, this is it for him, that's fine. I'm not here to give reasons or give validation on what he said. Okay. He's going to be fine.
Okay, so simple as ABC is going to be fine. Yeah. All right, still talking about faith. The public actually gets one particular narrative where they walk around, based on some of the altercations where they say he gets with some of the housemates. I think you and him to get altercation at some point, even Bright to get altercation with him at some point as well. So the narrative where people they carry for outside the house now say they say because they very intelligent. Say some set of housemates they intimidated. I think that's the word. Yes. Say some of the housemates they intimidated with our intelligence be. So based on top of the fight where we say you fight within culture, and of course the altercation where you to also get with you feel walk us through the fight a little bit, and with this narrative, how true is it? So we go first answer, culture or Bright?
Peacemaker.
So I really don't know what was put out there for the viewers to see, because when it was shown to us in the house, like the video, that made me go the double strike thing. It was pretty much just when I confronted him and when I gave him like a little fist. Yeah. But if you go back to the main topic, if you go back to like from the top, me and Faith, we had an understanding on that situation. We already talked. So it was weird for me to see that, we already talk as, matured guys, and you're going at my back and you're doing stuff you're trying to instigate a thing. And I'm like, it got me triggered, and I'm like, now this person, we are just follow reason something.
Yeah, before you reason us finish, maybe baddies break, they come back. So what you thought you are coming back, eh? Now PG station a day. Even like saying I don't carry dictionary come our studio this morning. So may I reduce that English when I speak, when I give us both bars. You understand? So Bright Morgan, you talk something before we break.
As I talk now. So me and this guy, we don't get alignment before that thing can happen. So I can't say I'm like, say the guy did disrespectful to me. So the thing happened, but I know that kind of person really carry something for mind. I think that same day we talked and we resolved everything. It was just a misunderstanding, and I just feel like sometimes he's an intelligent person, no doubt, but sometimes he can be he can be the instigator in situations. So that's just it. I don't know if it's a strategy for him, but whatever anybody they carry a strategy, good for them.
Okay, all right, Culture. What about you?
I feel like seeing everything they show for TV. So we the inside there, we know it really happens. So anything where anybody believe, may they believe like that. Me, I know they intimidated with anybody from anybody. Me, I know they intimidated because he no book, yes, now for in pocket. Yes, now they no call your show no book pass. Now reality TV show they call us. So
Jesus, okay,
like, bruh, I will lie for you. That kind of thing.
Oh my God, Culture.
But when with the other things, they see cigar. Now only Dan Boski and Bright. Now you see when cigar come now come the fight too. Cigar come now, you see me they share them as per say na waiting. Na surgery equipment I been na waiting.
I know we say I dey smoke cigar. I just
say they even smoke cigar. Okay, peacemaker say okay, mo share am. Share am 5. You say if they don't share am, you go lighter. Nobody follow you argue. You hold the lighter. After they share am finish. Oh yeah, bro, drop lighter. And he say he dey come in treat can come in finish. He treat am finish. After bro, drop this lighter now. He say if I shout again, we go put am for pool. 2 minutes Indomie. For chop am. But later, I come find out see we get different type of background. You know, say na away guy. Me I be Naija boy. You get some kind of thing.
AJ to the word.
Yeah, all this kind of thing. So, but that one, they no show the full film finish. But only one like that.
That's a full film.
Yes, all right, so may we come to you now, Tema Lawson. Telma. Yeah, I get her now. Telma.
I'm just playing you.
No worry, I didn't here to receive your play. All right, so for you now in the house, we notice somebody or the one of the housemates will be say you don't really gel with in the house from the first week, second week was Isabella.
Was that the only person you noticed?
The one where I won't pick.
Okay. All right, cool.
Not be the only high notice, but I won't pick. So I don't know each other before this Big Brother house.
No, actually no.
So waiting there about her way make you gel towards her.
No, if we didn't gel, it wasn't from my end.
Oh.
Yeah. I played a head of house game. Everybody saw that. And I chose Kaikumi.
Okay.
Now, Kaikumi was the one I knew before the house.
Okay.
So before Isabella, Kaikumi was my friend.
Oh.
Do you understand me? So choosing Kaikumi as my deputy was because, I want to choose my friend. And if anybody had paid attention enough, at that point in time, once I realized, we got into the house and we did as if we didn't know each other.
You don't speak too
much
English.
We were talking to other people.
You don't speak too much English. Pidgin.
Yeah, okay. I suppose speak Pidgin. Okay, let me see how this is going to work. So he don't talk to his own, they find his own level for babe side. Me, I just a friend other people and all of that. So we didn't come there to come and show that we are friends from outside the house now and all. But so there was no serious talk between me and Kaikumi. So nothing where anybody supposed reason if I choose them as deputy. Actually, it's just like if I choose person like Culture. You see me and Culture they talk that week. We not talk. So I mean it could have been anybody. But one thing I would say is I don't know say I fit choose female as deputy head of house because the previous winner of the head of house na lady in choose, and that was the first Sunday of the show.
Okay.
You understand? If I had know, na Sabrina for pick, but as I no can know now, I no fit choose any other guy apart from the one where I know say, okay, this one na my guy from outside the house. I fit choose you. We fit sleep for the same bed. Nothing go happen. But a lot of the people no say we know each other from outside, so they just took it out of context, and that's not my fault. And I could have explained to her maybe if she handled things better, but she just went all out, and I'm like, well, I'm not the one to push around like that, so I mean, I don't owe you an explanation.
Of course.
We're playing a game, and I don't like to be predictable anyway, so let's have it. Give them a show.
Abi, you actually gave us a show. So before I move back to Let Me, I'm still on to you. Of course, one of the clash you say you get in the house too was with a rude boy. So you been get this candid conversation with rude boy about the fact, say the way we say it is give you advances, say make you comfortable, and of course we know so many women too they face similar situation. So you think say he truly understood your perspective. Sorry, I speak that in English. You feel say he understand your perspective, and you feel tell us why it is important for men in the house, because we go still get people go still go in the house next year. Why it is important for men to respect boundaries. Yeah.
Okay, so I actually saw that video of me and him today. That was like the last video that I watched before I came in here, where because at some point I'm like, it was easy to, a lot of things are happening in the house. I'm like, did I not tell this guy that this is not what I'm looking for? But that video reminded me that I actually politely in several ways tried to, I didn't want to come off as rude. So, I'll just be soft, doing soft landing. But going forward, if you're a housemate next season and a guy that does not like you is moving to you, it doesn't matter whether it comes off as rude or not, set your boundaries. Because if I had done that from the very first time, it wouldn't happen. But because I was like, this is not what I'm here for, it was sounding like there's still room for more to happen and all of that. So please respect boundaries. If a lady likes you, you don't got to do too much. She'll move to you, okay?
Okay. All right. So, Joanna.
All right, to Joanna, I want to ask you this one question. You say, you did have a safe Faith been like you?
Faith never told me he likes me.
Georgia.
Okay, but why you say you come friend zone and because in expression?
When you say friend zone, it means they don't tell you, say they like you. They friend zone you.
Okay.
So open up,
Faith get this ability where we saying Sabi use words well. And his intellect, I beg make
talk out.
Anyways, he knows how to think properly. Do you understand? And those are the kind of people I'm attracted to. If you notice, I don't know if you guys saw it, I don't know if it was put out there, but every housemate knows we had one of the longest and best conversations in the house. Outside every person I had conversations with. So coming out and seeing that I was a terrible friend, I'm like, okay, that's all right. The person who I was a friend with can come and testify if I wasn't or not. So
okay.
I at the end of, there were times I'm like, the way you're talking, he's like, don't say it. Meaning you don't want to hit the nail on the head, and I'm not going to entertain the conversation if you're not ready to speak.
All right.
And I feel like maybe because I already said I don't want to be in a ship in the house. You know me say I don't want to day with man.
Madam individuality.
I don't say I don't want day with sailing boat and
yeah.
Exactly.
All right, so for we Bright Morgano, Mo ask now, this your ship with me there. Scenario, because before you enter the house, you been talk say person day.
To be honest, my ship with, I didn't even see that as a ship, man. This ship thing, they sound like play. What I have with me there is real and it's genuine, and I didn't plan for it to happen. It wasn't scripted. I struggled for I think the first 3 weeks because I found this person attractive, not just physically attractive, but mentally attractive. Because when I was down, this person was my companion. So, it's a confined environment and feelings got involved. I fought myself, I held myself back, I was really messing up. I didn't know how to react. But as time goes on, it started to happen. Feelings started coming here and there. So whatever I have with me there is real. I'm not even trying to paint.
But why you can't take for you to answer when Ebuka ask you on stage?
That question.
When say Ebuka said, girlfriend or we first.
That's a different question from what you're asking me, right? The person I am in a relationship with outside, my girlfriend outside, we never see each other before.
Oh.
Yes, so you can't, I'm just being honest, you can't compare someone who you've not seen and someone who you have really spent time with.
So now just they built that one before now enter Big Brother
Yes.
Naija.
So it's a very messy situation, right? And
I wish you were.
I'll take full responsibility of my action. I messed up, but I'm human, and nobody would understand what a reality TV show is until you step inside.
I swear.
So, it's what it is. I'm still bright, and whatever you saw inside the house was not scripted, was not acting. I came into that house with being me. I don't plan anything. I no carry strategy, but I just wanted to show myself, and I didn't want to do what I will regret later in life, looking at what I did at the house, because it's a lifetime experience. So yeah, that's basically it for me.
Okay, all right, make I come back to you, Culture. I mean, the way you did look at me. Your interview with Ebuka was yesterday. You've been give some other revelations for inside that particular interview, and you say some things they will say the big bojom. Bojom, say that Bojom where we say Kayode no gree, show some of these things to us and the rest of them. So before now come Victory come into the house, this one now just on a lighter note, and I ask him say, hey Victory, which of the housemates you feel say they use all the they use most of the condoms in the house, and because they don't talk, so you be minister of information. So and say Victory been come out at some point. So based on top of your Bojum, which of the housemates for you based on Bojum, minister of information, when you fit talk say before now come out to now then make use of the condom the most?
I don't feel like the people they use condom for that house. So I would lie for you. People they going smooth way.
Oh wow!
They know they are
but you go like speak for yourself.
I say people. I say people they going smooth. So I don't know. But for dustbin like me now, they pack aquafina rubber. And they open dustbin. I never see condom inside. Maybe people with the drum they going smooth way. If I thought that they do
okay. But we say if I thought people can be mentioned, say we they know say all that duvet arrangement they happen now. So which one if they do?
People feed on that duvet, nothing they happen. Yes. If you be aggressive cuddling now. Aggressive cuddling day now.
You guys.
Normal cuddling.
All right, thank you for your Bojom response. Bojom. Thelma, I think I'll come back to you. Yes, so you found love. Yes, you did. Because they asked Ebuka at some point, Ebuka, is this love?
No. I was mimicking. There was an interview that Kene and her husband had with Ebuka and his wife after their wedding.
Referring to that one.
Where they asked her what was love,
what
and she asked them back, "What is love?" Okay. That was just me mimicking that situation, not talking about.
I think we were there outside. We think saying that the love where you did, you understand? Now you sabi, we love you for capable. So all this stuff where you did talk, nah.
Interesting.
So what is next between you and capable?
First of all, we didn't have like any real like personal conversations towards relationships. I mean, we're just friends, and I mean the game is ending in 2 weeks, so you people should wait in 2 weeks' time. 2 weeks no far. Okay. 2 weeks no far.
Okay. All right, we're going to need to back break now, and when we come back, so they give us signs. So yeah, madam, time don't go, can't they go? We go wrap up with the interview. Maybe no worry now. We will give you Bojom. No go anywhere when they come back.
Make I just ask you this last question before I ask general question, Joanna. You and Imisi, no agree at all for inside the house. Waiting be the issue. Why be saying now always. Now waiting there about her. We be saying like at all.
I know we say something about her where I know like. Not things where I see where I pinpoint. And Imisi is a very distinctive character, honestly.
Carry man for Mike.
I beg, sorry, I know if you speak this kind of thing for Pidgin, I feel translate them for your English. So Imisi is very outside, even before now, I've been saying it in the house. She's very talented, she has diverse skills. But at the same time, Maybe because I'm very outspoken, and when I see patterns, I tend to say it. You won't always raise a mountain out of a mole. You understand? And maybe I even said that's her way, and it might be working for her. That's perfectly fine. At the same time, I would not have something to. The things and Missy were having were for frivolous things like plantain.
Exactly.
Like, it was so weird. And when it was becoming so, and I'm like, why are you thinking that way? That's where the whole low IQ came from. At the end of the day, we're not enemies. I'm not malicious. Do you understand? So
You sure you won't say that the part of it they take a beauty from the house?
That's okay. That's fine. If
That's
the
okay.
viewers saw that's all they could use to take me out of the house, that's okay. It's not our house, it's Big Brother's house. Everybody will come home.
All right, so before I go move to the next one, Joanna,
Yes, please.
Ebuka question, I say Ebuka question Jason J about policing Sultana on Sunday, and when you move, we're also getting close to you. From your own perspective, do you feel say Jason J na hypocrite? Number one. Number two, you feel say him using you you feel say him they use you to make Sultana jealous?
So there's, you know why I like this question?
Yeah.
I like this question because a conversation was had that was never aired. And that conversation was where there was an entire week. I'm like, please don't, because I and Jason click where I like to dance and he dances too.
Yeah.
So we just vibe.
Yeah.
That was where all this whole you like Jason thing started from. And it was never a thing because he understood that Joanna know they really reason me like that. Even the housemate knows that. And the whole, I did not really see him because I never bothered about the Sultana, and I'm like, if they are doing their thing, that's their business. It didn't concern me. It never. So when I'm like, a week, let me see if this thing was either a strategy, because for that house, I promise you, go know whether person are real. I mean, are fake. It can't. When I come out now, then I come this. So now only me come with my straight head. Everybody come with Ludo and dice.
Wow.
I came with just wanting to just be myself and just be who I am.
Okay.
And I'm like, okay. And that entire week we didn't dance, we didn't do anything much. And we later had a conversation. I'm like, because I wanted to see if you were trying to play both sides, and it's like, no, he's being, you were just friends. You and I didn't care about that conversation. I'm talking about you and I now. I hope it's not you are using me for. I even mentioned. I hope you're not also trying to do a thing with Dede is her friend now. So I don't know if you get what I'm trying to say. And he's like, no, it doesn't have to be like that. This conversation was never aired. In fact, my entire team, everybody was shocked, and I'm like, okay, that's fine. If I want to be painted as the villain, that's okay. And at the end of the day, Jason will be fine. If that was his strategy, that helped him, that's okay. I'm fine, I'm good, and everybody will be okay.
Okay. All right. So they don't throw answer. Give us maybe a round up. So now with waiting, I don't see for the house. Sorry, for outside the house. I mean, who each of you thinks say I go win the Big Brother Naija house for this season? Culture, maybe stay
anybody the cap fit. Let them crown.
So you don't want to mention any name. Okay, tell me.
The cap fits Mensa.
Okay, Mensa. Okay, Bright Morgan.
I have so many people. There's so many. I feel like Emisi has an upper hand. I feel like Mide has an upper hand too. I feel like that girl has been through so much.
Which of the girls?
Mide now.
Your love.
May she at least win for two.
For two. I love that.
Mentan too. Let the best man win.
Or the woman.
Or the woman.
Yeah. All right, Joanna.
Anyways, not just because this person is my friend, but because I feel like you're deserving of it. Faith should win.
Aww.
Every other person can. If they win, fine, but it would be really nice to see that he wins.
Oh, that's nice. So the last words now for the people will be say because 8 weeks don't be banned. I will lie for you. 8 weeks no be 8 weeks no be banned. So for the people will be say make sure say they put their vote from the first week of this season to the 8th week will be saying now come out. Which last words you get for them?
Only thing I have to talk, we say, I don't believe so I'll go that far, because coming from that wood where we see people they say I'm as ras and you don't understand that kind of thing. I don't believe say people go like me like that. So as I come out and I know it's a crusade, I'll be my own.
King of meme.
Life for you.
Damimo.
Shout out to all of you, man. Shout out to Ajibile, to Zimpao, to every person that take their time to gather DSTV. I am in over now, Abi, and subscribe and all that. Respect. I they come, go do get together soon.
Sure.
No, I know I did be now.
Oh, yeah, now tell ma. Yes.
Okay, so I feel very grateful. The first person I spoke to when I came out yesterday, I used Bright Morgan's phone to call my dad.
Aww.
And I wanted to just hear from family first.
Yeah.
And he said, "You did very well. We're very proud of you." And then he sent me a letter. I got to my hotel room. I got flowers, balloons, and a card saying, "You carried yourself with so much class and confidence." And as long as that came from my dad, every other person's opinion is secondary. And every other person I've spoken to, family, friends, even like my family on Snapchat that have been sending me messages, everybody's like, "Oh, we're so proud of you." Like, I haven't received one single negative message saying you shouldn't have done this, you shouldn't have done that. I'm so glad. I think that I did use the opportunity very well, and I'm just grateful for everything. I hope to see what the outside world has for me.
Like saying 85 clothes you carry. You already give us what. All right, Morgan, what about you?
I would like to give a shout out to the fans out there who really supported me, because I got outside and I realized that my socials stopped functioning in week 2. Like, it was crazy, and the person just kept posting content of me sleeping and waking up. The king is sleeping, the king is waking up, the king is sleeping, and I'm like, so after week 2, like from that week 2, that was it till week 8. So I feel like the people out there who supported me did not relent and did not care. They were just doing their thing. Because even coming out, I'm like, looking at that thing, I'm like, I suppose don't come out for this house now. But, thank you so much to everybody. And immediately I got out, I called my mom first off, and she said I should just silence all the noise, and all she wants to do is to see me in person and tell me she loves me, because she knows how it can be. So I'm grateful for my mom too, my dad, my family. The journey was tough, but thank God for everything.
Okay. All right, Joanna.
Hell, wow. Anyways, I just want to, because I didn't expect myself to even be in the house in the first place. First of all, I started doubting the fact that I was maybe too young. That was my first.
Are you the youngest?
Yes, I was.
Oh, okay.
So, and it felt at some point to me, before coming, that was during the audition and all of that. And by the time I did, I realized that I had already won. There was no other win outside that for me. And several times, I'm like, if I left at any point in time, I feel like I've fulfilled whatever I wanted to do. I just can't emphasize how grateful I am to people who supported me regardless of whatever they thought they saw, and did not doubt my personal character, especially to my friends. I came out and saw people, literally my very good friends who know me for me. That is not that is not you. And the fact that I began to say what my experience was, and they're like, that's not what they see, and I'm like, now I get it. That was enough for me. I spoke to my mother and my father, and I could see how much pride they could feel from who I was as a person. I was not expecting how much people were going to receive me. Even whatever, the opposite side of being loved is obviously being hated, and that's still okay. Do you understand? I would just marry everything at the same time and see what I make of it. That's all. I'm so grateful to where I'm coming from. I'm an Idoma girl from Benue State. I never realized that people will want to do rallies. From the kind of, I'm an only child that never knew that people want to put me very important, because I just walked alone with my mother as a single mother. So it was very difficult to see and come out and feel overwhelming love from people that never know me from anywhere. So I'm so grateful, and I'm highly, highly happy.
All right, so now don't use this segment of thanking people, and don't use that for almost like 10 hours, because this madam don't give sign to me. But thank you so much. At least I'm glad say now fit use this platform where we say now get now go use and well. So we're going to expect success stories from the four of now. When we go to sue now, like they say but no talks now say you don't know us. So see, my own name is Becca. His own name is Lege. I'm just telling you now. So don't be saying you come we see you outside, say hi, you say sorry, you should try. All right, that's the joke with now.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.